Okay, welcome to Van Life Fishing. This is a redo of a video that I did earlier. I left out some specifics in that one that I think I'd like to put in this one. It's about how to build these panels that this van is built out of. Now, even if you don't do it the way I did it, I think there's something in this that can be learned that will save you weight, maybe save you time, and give you a stronger, better finished product. Okay, to start with, let's say all these panels are very thin, very lightweight, very structurally sound. They're all made out of 1x2s, 1x2s, not very big, but strong. These are not the little cheap 1x2s, first trips. These are good quality 1x2s, okay? Now, what I've done with them is that I've routed, it's using a rabbit bit, an edge on either side where I can inset 5mm plywood. You can see it's nice and flush, so that the panel is still only 3/4 of an inch thick when I'm done with it. Put your corners together, glue and staple. What do you need? You need Gorilla Glue, okay? This is the greatest stuff in the world. You need staples. I don't know, I did my stapler. I left it out back. A pneumatic stapler is a finished stapler, finished nailer is an ideal thing to have. It's not something everybody has, but it's really worth the investment if you're going to build a decent van. So I will say this, if you didn't want to go to the expense or the effort of routing this, you could still glue and staple 5mm panels to the outside of this. The result would be a little more than a 1-inch panel, be 1.15 or something like that, which is still way smaller and lighter than a 2x4. And really, I think stronger too if you do it this way. So by routing it, by Gorilla Gluing the edges, stapling that in place, you turn it over to the other side and you do the same thing. These are just scrap pieces I've had laying around, but you put the other one in, staple it and glue it. Oops, let's get it so it'll go in there. There we go. There we go. Staple and glue it, and you have a hollow panel. Nice and hollow, lightweight, very, very strong. And you're saving a lot of room. I know it doesn't sound like 1/4 of an inch here or a 1/2 inch there is a lot. But when you look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 panels going back through there, I've saved about 2 inches, and 2 inches in a van is a lot. It really is. So what do you need to do this with? Well, if you can do it the way I did, you need a router. And then you need a stapler, a good finish nailer is what you really need. You need Gorilla Glue. You need little short staples. Now you can screw it. I tried that. That's really hard. And it doesn't really give you as good a product in the long run as this does. So I don't know if this, oh yeah, I want to go on and carry on to say this. So now what I've done here to get these panels here is I've used 1/4 inch cedar, tongue and groove, get it at Home Depot, put it on there with construction cement, and again, I use the pneumatic, the air-powered finish nailer and staple it. And when you do, you can't see the staples. You just really can't hardly find them. They're there. You look hard enough, you can find them, but you can't really see them. And still, it leaves it close. When you got to do places like the shower, or I have an area in the back that's waterproof, I use a piece of plastic. It comes in 4x8 sheets, again from Home Depot and Lowe's. But you can just, you have to use a fiberglass reinforced plastic glue to put them on with, a trowel, and trowel it on. But look, see how thin that is? Nice. See? You're saving a lot of weight. You're saving a lot of, you're putting a lot of effort into it. So you're not, I don't know how much effort you're saving, but you're saving a lot of size, a lot of room, and a lot of weight. So I don't know if this helps. I would encourage you to sign up for my YouTube channel or my blog. And there will be a partial parts list of some of the things that I've used at the bottom of this video too. So I hope this helps. So from Van Life Fishing, I have to say God bless and keep cruising, keep casting.